Did you feel any pressure going into the game? David's first game in the Champions League as United manager, and Leverkusen are a former finalist in recent years.
Yeah, I mean, it may be his first game, but in terms of us players, we've played many games in the Champions League, and I think tonight we really showed what the manager wanted us. He wanted us to press high and really make them pay, and we took our chances. So overall, I think the manager was very pleased.
How pleased are you for Wayne as well? 200 goals now for United.
Oh, it's a great milestone, and it's good to see him firing, and Robin as well, and Antonio chipping in as well, because it's one of the things that we've been missing, those goals when we've really been dominating, and tonight we really made it ours.
Could have been more as well.
Yeah, very well could have been. I know Wazza missed I don't know what chance that was. I'll have to see the replay, but yeah, it could have been more. And to be fair, we probably could have stopped their 2 goals because they were very sloppy, and I don't think they really deserve those.
David, ¿tú contento para el partido hoy?
Sí, bueno, yo creo que era importante comenzar con una victoria y bueno, lo hemos conseguido, ¿no? Es importante ganar los 3 primeros puntos y bueno, pues ahora con un poquito más de tranquilidad.
2 gols para Rooney y golazo para Robin van Persie.
Sí, la verdad que bueno, han estado muy bien, han aprovechado las oportunidades y han marcado goles importantes para el equipo.
¿Y Manchester City en domingo?
Sí, bueno, el derbi es un gran partido y bueno, intentaremos trabajar esta semana el partido y bueno, pues iremos con mucha ilusión, con muchas ganas a intentar ganar allí.
¿Y tú contento con David Moyes?
Sí, yo creo que yo y todos los jugadores estamos contentos, el equipo está jugando bien y bueno, pues esperamos que seguir así, seguir mejorando y bueno, hacer una gran temporada.
And how are you finding it playing for David Moyes? What's his style in your opinion, and how well do you get on with him?
I get on well with him very well. Obviously, I've not had too many chances now. He's stuck with Rio and Vida, but in training, we've been working hard since the start and just waiting for my chance like tonight. And I need to make sure that I keep taking that and letting him know that I'm there and keep knocking on that door.